Hi, Emily here from Homemade Emily Jane, and today I get to share with you the brand new quilt pattern called the Doubled Up Quilt Pattern. This is my newest release and it is perfect for you if you are looking for a fast, easy, beginner-friendly quilt pattern. The Doubled Up Quilt Pattern features easy strip piecing, so it comes together super efficiently, and it has multiple layout options and multiple sizes. So first off, we'll cover the quilt sizes. The Doubled Up Quilt Pattern offers baby, throw size, and bed size options, but it's also block based, so you could make it your own and do larger or smaller or somewhere in between. The pattern includes step-by-step instructions with diagrams to help you make this quilt with confidence. And if you're new to strip piecing, you'll also want to check out my strip piecing tutorial as well. That tutorial helps just give you a little bit of extra tips and tricks so that you can go into this with confidence. Next, let's talk about the fabric requirements for the Doubled Up Quilt Pattern. This is particularly great because it is a fat quarter friendly quilt pattern that you can make with strip piecing, but you don't have to use fat quarters. You could also use yardage and cut out longer strips. I'll put the fabric requirements up here on the screen for you. As you can see, the baby size uses 5 fat quarters or quarter yards. The throw size uses 12 fat quarters or quarter yards, and the bed size uses 23 fat quarters or quarter yards. You'll also see here the background that is needed and the binding as well as the backing. The assumption on this chart is that all yardages are 42 inches. So if you do use a wide back fabric, you'll end up needing less fabric than the backing requires here. So you might be thinking, oh, that's just another patchwork quilt pattern. And in some ways, yes, in other ways, no. So let's talk about how the Doubled Up Quilt Pattern is unique. First off, it's strip pieced, making it super easy and efficient, and it's beginner friendly. So it's really great if you are new to quilting or if you just want something that's a little faster to make. One of my favorite things about this pattern is that it has so many different layout options, and it can really get your creativity going as you try out different ones. So as with all of my quilt patterns, you can find coloring pages that can help you design your own layout over at my website, homemadeemilyjane.com. And I'll link below where you can find the coloring pages for all of my patterns. And it's also included in the pattern itself as well. So here are just a few different layout options that you might be inspired to make. I personally really love this diagonal look, or you could go ombre, or really you can make it your own and try out so many different things based on the fabrics that you're using and the style that you're going for. I'd love to share with you just a few of my favorite tools to use for making the Doubled Up quilt. As I mentioned, it is a strip piece quilt, so I recommend just a long standard quilting ruler. The 24-inch long ruler comes in super handy for this quilt. Or alternatively, if you have a Stripology XL, I found mine to be super helpful. If you're not sure what Stripology is, check out this tutorial here. It will show you just how valuable a Stripology ruler is and how versatile it is. So I definitely would recommend it. It is a little bit of a splurge if you're new to quilting, but put it on your wish list. It is so worth it. And something I recommend for all my quilts, not super necessary for this one because there's no bias edges, but I do like to use Best Press or a spray starch alternative just to prep the fabrics before cutting to make them extra crisp and a little bit easier to work with. So if you've never tried using Best Press or an alternative, I really do recommend it because it can just make the sewing process a little bit easier. Alright, let me show you just a few examples of the doubled up quilts that I've made so far. So as you can see, the one behind me, this one is on the cover of the quilt. It has like a scrappy layout, but I do want to share with you a secret. It's actually 3 quilt blocks that are incorporated throughout. So I made 3 unique quilt blocks. I made a bunch of each one, and then I arranged them. Some are upside down and some are upside right because of how the pressing instructions are in the pattern. You'll see if you make it. So we nest our seams. So I made 3 unique blocks and was able to make it look like perfectly scrappy and spread out. So if you want to make yours like kind of a scattered scrappy look, make as many of the same block as possible, and that'll definitely help you kind of spread them out throughout the quilt. And then I also have this beautiful diagonal layout. This is also a throw size quilt that I'll show you. This one is again made with all solids. Both of these throw sizes that I made were entirely made with Riley Blake Confetti Cotton's solids on the front. So as you can see with this one, I do have that diagonal layout, and I show a little bit more about how to do that in the pattern itself. I also have made 2 baby size of the doubled up quilt pattern. I wanted to show you just how gender neutral it can be. You can make like a very boyish quilt, which I actually made for my own baby, or you can make a really sweet like pink and white quilt like this, which is just like classic baby girl. So lots of options, relatively easy to use scraps as long as you have longer strips or pieces of fat quarters to make it a little bit more scrappy. I really recommend the more fabrics and the baby size particularly, the better, because it just makes it a little bit easier to make it look scrappy. But again, so many different layout options with this pattern, so I really hope you let your creativity drive you. So if you want more information about any of the sample quilts that I made for the doubled up quilt pattern, make sure you check out my blog, and I'll have information over there. You can check in the description below for the links. That will include information about how the quilts were quilted, and so you'll see lots of different inspiration for making your own. So if you love the doubled up quilt pattern and you are ready to dive in, make sure you check out my shop, homemadeemilyjane.com, to grab either the PDF version of the pattern or the paper pattern, and you can go ahead and get started quilting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you check me out on Instagram and subscribe here on YouTube so that we can stay in touch for lots more quilting tips, tricks, and inspiration. Happy sewing!